Hi guys, my name is Georgia. So you have just caught me in my mid-morning routine. The first step I take is the Eve Lom Iconic Cleanser, which is my fave. Second step is their brand new moisture cream. Now I have a combination skin. Some days it's oily, some days it's dry. This is suitable for all skin types. That's the one reason why I love it so much. The second reason why I love it so much is just look at it. I mean, what a beautiful bottle. Who doesn't want that sat by their sink? I'm gonna show you how I use it. It doesn't matter how simple or sophisticated your skin routine is. I personally always begin and end with Eve Lom. So I take about this much, you can see, and I rub it into my fingertips. It feels, oh my God, so luxurious, very delicate, and then I just pat into the skin, just like this, very lightly, but all around. It has a very beautiful, I think I was trying to combine two words there, botanical scent to it, so it smells really fresh. What makes this product different? It has anti-aging, antioxidant, anti-pollution, and it's hyperhydrating, meaning that this is going to keep your skin hydrated for up to 72 hours, which is just wild. And that is because it has a key ingredient, which is a super powerful hyaluronic acid, which acts as a flash filler, leaving your skin flawless. And the results of using this, I use it morning and night religiously now, is the more you use this, the better your skin is going to look over time. Because what it does is it fills your skin with hydration from the inside out. Next steps, there aren't any. Who needs makeup when your skin looks this good? It's that easy.